Hey, announcer guy here for Sean and Kevin, world travelers who occasionally go to places you haven't been. In this episode, the boys are in Canada,
at the Scarborough Bluffs in southern Ontario.
So settle in and welcome to Travel by Numbers.
Hey everybody, it's Kevin from Travel by Numbers. I just wanted to interrupt the video today at this point to address the elephant in the room, which is the fact that we haven't been posting very many videos lately. The reality is that I've been very sick for the last 21 months, but recovering. But this has meant that we can take few adventures outside the house, and certainly not for very long. It's too risky for me. So I've been recovering though fairly well lately. So looking forward to improving day by day. And we've been able to get out a couple of times just locally for short periods of time to shoot some film and post some of these episodes, so hope that continues. And certainly we've been making plans more broadly in our own country and then internationally, so very much looking forward to getting back out there, just trying to get over this final hill, as I call it. Anyway, thank you very much for maintaining your subscribership to our channel, and if you're new around here, please subscribe and push the like button, because it really does help us and help our channel grow. So thanks again, and back to the video.
So we're here today at the Scarborough Bluffs, an incredible natural cliff system here in southern Ontario, Canada. We haven't been here for a few years, so we're going to check it out. There's Sean. Sean's taking sort of like a photo walk video.
So this is the new Osmo, what's it, Osmo 6?
Yeah, Osmo 6 from DJI.
Yeah, so I'm definitely a newbie.
This is awesome here though. Every year there's at least one emergency rescue. Someone's fallen off the cliffs here. Quite expensive to rescue somebody, but also very dangerous. Very, very easy to lose your life from the top of one of these things. This is a peaceful place here to moor your boat and just hang out, have a few drinks in the afternoon, or go for a swim. Mind you, Lake Ontario is not the cleanest lake in the world. There's no algae right now though, so it's a little murky, but probably not unhealthy.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please click the like button. And by subscribing and turning notifications on, you'll help us create new content. Thanks for watching. And remember, experiences, not things.